Hi everyone, welcome to day 14 of A Classroom in Balance. Why do we use positive affirmations? To start, I have a few questions for you all. Who remembers how many thoughts we have per day? Raise your hand, share it out. Well, the answer is 50,000 to 80,000 thoughts per day. Pretty big, right? My next question for you is, how many thoughts are negative? Again, don't be afraid to share out. 80% of our thoughts we have in a day are negative. My final question for you is, why do we use positive affirmations? Great. Now remember, we all have negative thoughts. And negative thoughts are like a domino effect. They affect our mood, our confidence, our motivation. And in order to change our negative thought patterns, we need to think more positively. And a way we can do that is by using positive affirmations. So, today we are going to use some positive affirmations. A few examples I have for you are, I am strong. I am worthy. I am loved. I am enough. So remember, it's that I am statement. And our mindfulness mission for our practice is to ask someone in your life to share a positive affirmation about themselves. Do you think you can do that? I believe in you. Thanks for tuning in to day 14 of A Classroom in Balance. Why do we use positive affirmations? Have a great day, everyone.